You think every app on your phone is safe just because you downloaded it? Not always. That is why every Android phone comes with Google Play Protect. It quietly scans your app for harmful behavior and helps protect your phone before problems happen. In this video, I'll show you how to turn it on, scan your apps, and make sure your phone stays protected. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Play Protect. First, unlock your phone. Open the Google Play Store. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture. From the menu, tap Play Protect. This is Google built-in security center for your apps. So guys, if you haven't checked it before, now is a great time. Step 2. Scan all your apps. On the Play Protect screen, tap Scan. Allow it to scan. Just wait a few moments for Google to check every installed app. During the scan, Google looks for apps that may contain harmful softwares or suspicious behavior. This includes apps from Play Store and, in many cases, apps installed from other sources. When the scan finishes, you will see the results. If everything is safe, you will see a message that says your apps were checked or no harmful apps found. Even if you have never had a problem before, it is a good habit to run this scan regularly. Step 3. Turn on app scanning. Now let's make sure Play Protect is always working in the background. While you are still on the Play Protect page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. You see a settings called Scan Apps with Play Protect. Make sure it's turned on. This allows Google to automatically check your apps for potential security risks. If you install a harmful app by mistake, Play Protect can warn you before it causes problems. Guys, this is one of the most important settings to leave enabled. Step 4. Turn on Improve Harmful App Detection. Just below that, you see another setting called Improve Harmful App Detection. Turn it on. With this enabled, Google can receive information about unknown apps to improve future security checks. If privacy is your highest priority, you can choose whether to enable this feature. But for most people, keeping it on provides stronger protection against newly discovered harmful apps. Step 5. Review recently scanned apps. Go back to the main Play Protect page. Look for the section showing your recent scan results. Here you can see when your phone was last scanned. If it's been several days or weeks since the last scan, tap Scan again. Checking this page regularly helps you know that your apps are still being monitored. Step 6. Remove apps you no longer trust. Play Protect works best when your phone only has apps you actually use. Now just take a few minutes to review your installed apps. Now go back to your Play Store, click on your profile picture, click on Manage Apps and Device, click on Manage. Ask yourself, do I still use this app? Do I trust the developer? Did I install it from a trusted source? If the answer is no, uninstall it. To remove an app, touch and hold the app icon. Just tap Uninstalled, then confirm if you want to delete it. The fewer unnecessary apps you keep, the lower your security risk. Step 7. Keep your apps updated. Now let's make sure your apps receive the latest security update. Go back to the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture. Again, tap Manage Apps and Device. If update is available, tap Update All. App updates don't just add new feature. They often fix security problems attackers could use. Keeping your apps updated is one of the easiest ways to stay protected. Step 8. Turn on automatic app updates. Let's make sure you don't have to remember this every week. Go back to Play Store, tap your profile picture, scroll down, tap Settings, tap on Network Preferences. Now tap on Auto Update Apps. Choose over Wi-Fi only. Click on it. Now your apps will receive important security update automatically whenever you connected to Wi-Fi. Before you leave, make sure you completed these steps. Scan all your apps with Play Protect. Turn on Scan App with Play Protect. Removed apps you no longer trust. Updated all your apps. Turned on automatic app update. If you have done all 6, your Android phone is much better protected against harmful apps. That is it. Your Android phone is now using one of the Google best built-in security tools to help keep your app safe. In the next episode, I will show you how to lock your private apps and files using Secure Folder without installing any third-party apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.